Hi, I'm Gary Johnson from Great American Sign in Basking Ridge, New Jersey. I created this for the 2018 Sign Invitational. This is my logo, and this is a typical building in New York City. It's actually modeled after the Waverly Diner in Greenwich Village in New York City. The theme of the competition this year was motion, so I animated my logo, and the wings move, the head moves, and the letters move in and out.
My name is Dan Sawatzky. I'm from the Imagination Corporation in British Columbia. I'm here for the Sign Invitational at the ISA, and we're displaying in the MultiCam booth. As usual, we used some great MultiCam equipment, our CNC plasma cutter and our CNC router. Made the job a whole lot easier. This machine is patterned after one that was first invented back in 1901. This is our third year for the Invitational. I am the defending champion, and we're just here to have a whole lot of fun.
I'm Doug Hancock. I'm with Sign Pro of North Florida. This is my piece here. It's done in the architectural style of Googie, 40s and 50s sign style. And we decided to make a fictitious airship company called Zeps. And we said, why not make it a sign, and let's bisect it here in half with a specialty bearing. And yeah, we have some flying airships and had a lot of fun doing this.
I'm Jim Dawson. This is my Sign Invitational piece here for the 2018 Sign Invitational here at the MultiCam booth at ISA Sign Expo. The piece that we've made here is a Jules Vernian kind of underground drill piece that the lights inside has a fog machine and the drill head, and all of this stuff is controlled by a Wi-Fi app on my phone that we can turn it on and off with. We had a lot of fun making our piece this year. Used a bunch of smooth-on products, Coastal Enterprises precision board, and of course our MultiCam machine to do all the machining on.